Welcome back to Bad Attitude C10. Today I would like to share that the results from week 1 of our Fast Trucks Matter contest, we're going to actually have 2 winners. Wayne did pull it out with the most likes, but I figured since Art over at Dr. Art's Hot Rod Rehab was the very first submission to our contest, that he deserved a prize as well. So I'm hooking both of them up with one of the Fast Trucks Matter decals and t-shirts. So I've already contacted Art and got his information and Wayne and got their size of shirts, and I'll get them out to them this week. Now, if you haven't already checked them out, please go check out the 2 submissions for this week, one of which is the Bad Habit 67 C10 of Kevin Tolliver and Thomas's Moonshiner Garage 87 stepside Chevrolet truck. Both these trucks run in the mid-5s and they're both badass. So go give them a look. Here's links to them right here. Thanks, and please, as always, like and subscribe.